Here's the truth. The hardest part of any task isn't doing it. It's starting. And that's exactly where the 2-minute rule destroys procrastination. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Reply to that email, wash that dish, make that note. If it's a bigger task, don't commit to the whole mountain. Commit to just 2 minutes. Write one line, open the file, put on your running shoes. Now here's the science. In physics, the law of inertia says an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion until something moves it. Your brain is no different. At rest, procrastination grips you. But the moment you take any action, even for 2 minutes, you generate momentum. And momentum makes continuing almost effortless. That's why professionals don't wait for motivation. They engineer emotion. The 2-minute rule isn't about completing tasks. It's about breaking inertia. Start small, stay in motion, and you'll finish bigger than you thought possible.